Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. Elon Musk, take my heed. It's not the kind of place to raise your kids, Elon. Alright, welcome back to the channel Between the Keys, where I teach you how to play the piano. And this song is Rocket Man by Elton John. Okay, a new one for the channel, Elton John. Not really, because we did do Cold Heart, but it was his remix with Dua Lipa, the more recent one. So maybe I'll do the original, Cold, Cold Heart, Undone by You. Maybe we'll come to that as well soon. When you look this song up on Google to find the chords, annoyingly, on Ultimate Guitar, it's in the wrong key. That always frustrates me, and so it's great that I'm teaching it to you now in the right key. And also the second one is normally the one that is in the right key, or the one further down on the Google search results, but in this case they were both in E minor that I clicked on. So, and then you get into the realm of things that aren't Ultimate Guitar, and those I never trust, really. So anyway, let's get on with it. Ultimate Guitar is wrong on this one. Maybe you can find it in G, starting on G minor and in G minor, but this is what you need. G minor 7. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight to C. C dominant 7, or C7. Actually it's C9, and when you see a 9 chord, you have to assume it's dominant 7, okay? Something to remember for you there. If you see a 9 chord, it's not really major 9. It's normally the dominant 7, okay? Unless it says specifically with a triangle, and then a 9, or if it says C major 9, then it obviously would be this, but this one is dominant. Okay, do we have a little bit of intro? Not really. We do, but I'm not going to. No, I am. Okay. And again, I played G minor 9 there, just for a little extra spice. Let's carry on. Let's do the verse again. So here we go. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, C dominant with a 9. Back to G, minor 7, 0 hour, 9 a.m. C dominant, E flat, and I'm gonna be high. That's B flat over D in the bass. And I'm gonna be high. It's pretty high for me. High to C minor, with a B flat in the bass as a passing note. There's a kite by then, there's a kite by then. Oh, I've lost the key. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. That's if you sing it down the octave too far. By then, let's carry on. G minor, back to G minor 7. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. That's something I would do if I was playing this song live. I would just arpeggiate that chord all the way up. Just sounds good. What's after I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife? It's I'm lonely. I'm lonely out in space. There's that C again. E flat. On such a timeless flight. Very high. C minor 7. That was E flat. B flat over D and C minor. I'm putting the 7 in, even though it says not specifically to do so, but the 7 will work on a minor chord. And then there's that B flat passing note down to A. And we play an F chord in the right, but over the 3rd of the chord, A in the bass. On such a timeless flight. C in the bass, F in the bass, and we play F7 to C minor 7 to the chorus, and I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Let's just do that again quickly. It's lonely out in space. Okay, on such a timeless flight. E flat, B flat, C minor 7 down to A in the bass and F in the right hand. Such a timeless flight. Bom, bom. C in the bass, F7, C minor 7 over F. Okay, and I think it's gonna be a long, long time. That was B flat, to B flat with a D in the bass, as a passing note on the bass, to E flat major 9, which I would actually play as G minor 7 over E flat. Let's do it again from I think it's gonna be a long time. Let's make sure you can still see the notes I'm playing. You definitely can, that's great. Okay. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time to touchdown brings me round again to find. I'll come back to it, don't worry. Not the man they think I am at home. Oh, no, no, no. C7, I'm a rocket man. Passing chord, rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. Here's the lyric. Think it's gonna be a long, long time. Okay, back to the start for the chorus. B flat over D, long, long time. That's your E flat major 9. We've got E flat over G, E flat over B flat. Just a change of bass note there. Long, long time to touchdown brings me round again to find. Not the man you think I am at home. B flat over D there as a passing note. E flat, oh no, no, no. B flat over D again. C7, I'm a rocket man. B flat over D. Comes in on the very 4th beat there. End of the bar. I'm a rocket man. 2, 3, 4. Rocket man, actually the end of 4. I'm a rocket man. 3, 4. Oh, rocket man, burning down the. I always sing the wrong lyric. Burning out his fuse up here alone. And then there's a sus. He actually plays it like this. Burning up his fuse up here alone. Something like that. Because this is a sus chord on B flat. E flat over B flat would work because you just need to make sure that 4 is in there. The sus normally implies the 4. You could play A flat over B flat as the 4, but to me in this song it sounds more like he just goes, just sort of implies the 4. Or maybe he actually plays the E flat chord. But that's what it sounds like on the track to me. Actually, that chorus goes round again. I went to the verse, but it goes round again. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time to touchdown brings me round again to find. I'm not the man I think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning up his fuse out here alone. Back to the verse. Mars ain't the kind of place, C dominant 7 with a 9, to raise your kids. In fact, it's cold as hell. Elon, what are you thinking? Okay, let's go to E flat. And there's no one there to raise them. Where am I? I'm a bit lost. Hang on a second. And there's no one there to raise them. So it's E flat, B flat over D to raise them. B flat coming up. F over A, F over C, and then F over F to finish off that verse. Let's do it again just from. In fact, it's cold as hell, and there's no one there to. And there's no one there to raise them. C minor 7. If you did A, if you did, and all the science. Here we go again. I don't understand. I'm gonna arpeggiate up. Back to G minor. It's just my job 5 days a week. Let's do it again. And all the science. I don't understand. Stay in time, G minor. It's just my job 5 days a week. We're back in time. Rocket Man. Oh, Rocket Man. I can't sing that high. Rocket Man. C minor. I always forget the C minor chord. B flat. Rocket Man. F over C and F7. That one, F7. C minor to go back into the chorus. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time to touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man I think I am at home. Oh, no, 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 I'm not. What am I? I'm a rocket man. C dominant 7 with a passing chord. Rocket man, burning up the fuse out here alone. Won't forget that part. Think it's gonna be, does it go round again? It does. Think it's gonna be a long, long time. So touchdown brings us round again to find I'm not the man you think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. C dominant 7 to B flat over D. Rocket man, burning up his fuse out here alone. Here comes that sus4. Beautiful. Outro is the same as the chorus. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. So touchdown brings us round again to find. Same chord, different bass note. Not the man I think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. Rocket man. Rocket man. I missed the passing chord. Rocket man. Rocket man. Burning up his fuse out here alone. Here comes. That time was different. Actually, this outro I just remembered is just B flat to E flat. I do apologise. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. That's how he does it. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. How long is it gonna be? And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. It just fades out. According to Elon, it's only going to be a few years until we're all living on Mars. But what do you believe? Let me know in the comments if it's in fact going to be a very long, long time. And anyway, Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. Because apparently it's cold as hell, according to Elton. Maybe Elon and Elton should have a discussion and talk about things and get down to the nitty gritty. Oh, my chords have disappeared. Can you still see? I hope those notes still appeared for you all the way through the video, because sometimes this chordy app just decides to disappear at a random time. But hopefully it did work all the way through. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one on Between the Keys, and I'll see you there next time. Thanks again, and ciao for now.